Hi everybody, I wanted to jump on here and answer a question that I have received, and it's actually a really good question, on my photo booth project, which is, why am I going with a Raspberry Pi? Why don't I go with one of these other people that came up with the supply chain shortage for Raspberry Pi? There's a couple of reasons, and you might like the reasonings that I have, you might not, but here's my thing. The Raspberry Pi community is still bigger than the other ones. It's also more centered towards makers, even though I have a feeling that Raspberry Pi themselves are kind of trying to steer away from the maker community. Maybe that's just a feeling that I have. I hope that's not true. But the other ones, I feel that the other boards are trying to be single board computers, like just thin client replacements or just little cheap computer replacements. Also, dollar for dollar, Raspberry Pi is still cheaper than the people that came out to replace the missing Pis. But I am looking into them. If I still have trouble with procuring a Raspberry Pi in January, or even if I make it to February. If I make it to February and can't find a Raspberry Pi, I will definitely broaden my search and go with another single board computer for my open source photo booth project. I'm tied to the Raspberry Pi and a Pi camera right now, but I have the doors open to move to other things. I found some old code from when I first started the project, and then I had a flood that destroyed the Pi 4 that I had. And though it used the old API, the Python Pi camera API, a lot of the other stuff I could probably still use, except for I want to go with C or C++, particularly C++, but we'll see. I won't know anything right now, as my day job is in retail, and so I don't want to commit myself to anything before Christmas, because Christmas is just a stressful time. Anybody who's ever worked retail will let you know that. But yeah, Christmas is just an out and out stressful time. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on, answer that question, let everybody know, yeah, I didn't just dump that last video and run. Since this is going to be on multiple platforms, if you're watching this on YouTube or, well, just YouTube, most of the nitty-gritty updates I'm going to be posting on Makertube.net. And if you want to know the basics, the nitty-gritty, I'll post more failure videos over there. I'll post more of update videos over there than I will anywhere else. So if you want to follow 100% on the project, go follow my Makertube. Makertube is a PureTube instance, so you could subscribe to it on any ActivityPub system, or if you're still using an RSS reader, you can even subscribe using an RSS reader. Alright, I just wanted to hop on, say all that, and have a nice day, everybody.